In a history-making season for Super Rugby, another landmark day here in Wellington as the Fijian-Drua play on New Zealand soil for the first time as they face the Hurricanes. Walker-Leaweri taken away by Karifi. Now here comes Sullivan on the charge. Away to Morby! Josh Morby scores the opening try of the game.
Yeah, great try it is too. You watch Josh Morby. He hides, and then he hits the line at pace. Every young fullback out there, watch this.
So, Aidan Morgan with the conversion, and through it goes. Number 59, he's come up short. Playing under a penalty advantage here. Now out it goes to Morgan. Away for Wes Hurson. Slings it across to O'Moore, and the hooker scores. Yeah. Hurricanes get their second try. Morgan, nice pass here as Rayasi into a bit of space, lining it up. Now he throws the pass. Beautifully done, and Billy Proctor gets try number 3.
Josh Morby, influential as always. Aidan Morgan giving a nice tip pass on there. So Rayasi holding the ball, double pump, puts Billy Proctor away to score a great try for the Hurricanes.
Another tough kick from the sideline, and that is a beauty. Away for Karifi, now Perenara for Sullivan. Now Morby! He's done it again, Josh Morby. Try number 2.
You see here just a down and pup from Lobshin out to Karifi, gives it to TJ, balls in front. Baden Sullivan again hits the front man, but this time he runs on the outside shoulder and puts up the fin. He has been very good, BC.
Looking to add another, and he does so. So 26 points to 0. The Hurricanes lead, and still about 6 minutes left until halftime. And the ball goes into touch just as the siren indicates halftime here at the stadium. And really the home team, the Hurricanes, have been in total control. They've scored 4 tries, 2 of them by Josh Morby, 1 by O'Moore, another by Proctor. And at halftime, it's 26-0 at Sky Stadium. Walker-Leaweri stretches up. Karifi away for Perenara. Sullivan, now here's Morgan. Morgan swings it away, and Wes Hurson runs it in easily. And the Hurricanes strike early in the second half.
A coach's dream, that. Do the same move. Multiple options. Aidan Morgan out the back twice. They hit the front ball with Josh Morby. This time they go out the back.
Now Morgan. Quick hands. Here is Rayasi. Tried to pop the pass. Did so to Lobsha. Very impressive debut for the young fella. And delivers the pass. And Wes Hurson scores it. But all plaudits go to Tyler Lobsha.
You know, they're just so comfortable in any position. You see Baden Sullivan, he's coming to first receiver. Then this lovely skill work, just pop passing. And then real intent from this man tonight on debut.
The conversion from Morgan is down the middle, and it's 38-0. Slings it across for Hurson at first receiver. Now Morgan gets thumped again. Now it's away for Rayasi. Rayasi, little bit of space, decides to go again and gets there. Oh! Celesi Rayasi.
Celesi Rayasi finishes it off. It just shows why he is considered one of the best swingers in the country.
Roigard digs it out. Garden Basham, and quickly away it goes. And try number 2 tonight for Billy Proctor. So playing under a penalty advantage here is Nawai. Gets it away, and here he goes again, Ratavi. Try number 6 for the season, and he is electric.
It all started at the set piece. Owen Franks just getting put under a little bit of pressure there, giving Fijian-Drua opportunity to go forward. They had advantage. So who do they give it to? Onesi Ratave, who's been scoring tries at will this year.
Of the scrum, now delivers to Roigard, goes wide, lovely pass, and a hat-trick for Josh Morby, and the Hurricanes on fire. Moana yesterday really taking the Waratahs down to the wire, as Morgan's conversion is good. Now Roigard having a probing run, almost there, snapped up by Sangster, and Justin Sangster comes up with his first try in Super Rugby. A little kick and chase, and this might be interesting on the bounce, but in fact it bounces into touch, and that will bring down the curtain on this game at Sky Stadium in Wellington, where the Hurricanes have banked all 5 points by scoring 11 tries to 1 and winning by 67 points to 5.